our first car camping trip. Look at these good dogs. Crazy, this sunset behind me right now. Oh my gosh, you have to see it. Taking pretty much all of my self-control to not just drive home right now. So here we are. We're on our first car camping trip. We didn't go too far from home. The sun literally just came out. The light was perfect. And I definitely need a much wider lens because my arm is fully extended and 28 millimeters. 28 millimeters is just not enough. But Mushu and Shepherd with me. Say hi, Mush Bear. Say hi, Noodle. And yeah, a couple things I didn't anticipate. It's a weekday and there are people here. It's really cold. It's almost 20 degrees colder than it was at home and it's super windy. So we're gonna see how this goes. I think it'll still be okay. Like there are people here, but we're like spread out. It's just not what I was expecting or exactly what I wanted since it's dispersed camping and not a campground. And yeah, it'll be good. It'll be fun, hopefully, and we'll see how it goes. And you can see Pikes Peak through those trees there, and we're gonna walk over there. I think we're gonna get a really good sunset tonight, and hopefully the sky's kind of clear. See, there's the other people. Kind of cloudy. Happy girl, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get the car set up and then turn it around so that we can eat and watch the sunset. Awesome, so we're all set up. That looks super cozy. I have some lanterns and stuff. I'll get out when it gets dark. So we're gonna look at these good dogs. We're gonna turn the car on and watch the sunset and eat some snacks. Good job. Good girl. Come on, Mushu. Come on, buddy. We're not going anywhere. Don't worry. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good job. Look at these good dogs. The handsome boy in the sunshine. Yeah, Shepherd girl. You're okay. The car's not moving. The car I didn't want to cook this trip because I didn't want to have to bring all this stuff. I just wanted to be as easy and simple as possible just so like I could get used to things. So for dinner tonight, we have some grapes and cheese and some chocolate that my friend brought me from Belgium and carrots. So that should be good enough because again, it's only one night, so it's fine. And yes, they're going to want some. beautiful Chef looks in the sunset light. Are you the prettiest girl in the world? The sunset behind me right now, oh my gosh, you have to see it. It's insane. It's amazing. Okay, well, I've just been, oh, that looks crazy. Okay, well, there we go. All right, well, I've just been hanging out and reading. I got my lantern. Thankfully, I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna try and go to bed. Here are the dogs. There's plenty of room. It is kind of warm in here. And I cracked the windows a little bit. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning. It's been really windy, and Mushu hates the car, so he's a little stressed. We can get some sleep. I thought it was going to be relaxing, and then the wind has made it a little bit crazy. So, like this perfect girl. Oh my goodness. Love her so much. Honestly, it's taking a lot. Like, I'm only 45 minutes from home, and it's taking pretty much all of my self-control to not just drive home right now and go sleep at home. We'll see. We'll see how tonight goes. It got really bright out and I couldn't figure out why, and it's the freaking moon. It looks so cool. But it's so bright out, like you can see everything. Alright, good morning. We did it. I just packed up the car. It was too dark for me to get stuff out, and also there are people around making a lot of noise. But we're gonna go watch the sunrise about 6 a.m. and hang out. Here come the dogs. Oh. In addition, look at the moon. In addition to Pikes Peak, you can see Mount Princeton and a couple of the other ones I'm not sure from here. So I brought my 7200, so I'm gonna switch my lens so that you guys can see. Okay, hang on one second. Sunrise, here we go. I'm so glad that we stayed to see the sunrise. This is pretty awesome. I was gonna make coffee. I have stuff to make coffee, but there's a lot to get up here from the car with 2 dogs and 2 tripods and camera and everything like that. So I think we'll just have coffee when we get home. But yeah, there's Pikes Peak. What a great first trip. Pretty easy. Yeah. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end the video here and hang out and watch the sunrise with the dogs. Yep, yep. With the dogs. And yeah, there's definitely going to be a lot more adventures this summer. So if you want to see more adventures with like really epic mountains and wildflowers and waterfalls and alpine lakes, hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.